Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is called Tea Time with Lady Elizabeth. I am always making tea, but today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Every now and then I try to do something different. So remember when I was a child, this was so painful to grate potatoes here. So I'm like, you know what, I want to bake a cake, but this is the grater that I have. And I know it's not gonna work out. So you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna try and blend these sweet potato to see if my cake or my pudding can turn out the way mom used to make it. Let's go. So that's the size that I have them in. Yeah, that's the size. So see if it's gonna turn out the way that my mom and auntie always do it. So this is the mixture that I got. It's a little runny, but you know that I blend it out with water. So with water. So this is what I got. See? See? Can you see that? Okay, so let's see what we can do next. Coconut milk. So I'm adding sugar. Flour. So I had sugar and flour and the raisin with a mixture. And that's how I combine it all in. Coconut milk. So I had vanilla, salt, and cinnamon to this mixture. Add a little black pepper. For some reason I feel like putting it in it. And a little baking soda right there. So let's mix all together. So that's how it is, people. And then I'm gonna have some browning soon. So browning is coming right up. Ta-da! That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.